Hi, my name is Deepak and you are watching Two Tech Vigors. And today in this video we are going to see how we can set up a custom domain for our GitHub Pages website and also how to request for an SSL certificate so that we can browse to our website using HTTPS instead of HTTP. So let's get started. So in my last video, I have shown you guys how we can host our website for free using GitHub Pages and also how we can deploy our Angular application using single command into the GitHub Pages. So if you have not watched the video and you want to see those, I will give the link in a description. You can watch from there, and also you can visit our channel, and through the channel you can see those video. So this is the website what we had hosted in our last video, and this is techvigorscode.github.io. But we don't want to visit our website like this. If you want your website to be professional, this doesn't look a bit professional. So for that purpose, we want to set up a custom domain. A custom domain like how we have facebook.com or google.com or any of the website that we go and visit on the internet. For this purpose, we need to have our own domain. The domain registrar is not free, and you can visit to any of the domain registrar whichever you feel comfortable to, and you can buy a domain from there. Here I have already bought an domain from the GoDaddy, and you can see it over here. So you have to go to the manage domains, and there you can see your domains if you have already registered it. So if you will see here, I have registered an domain called techvigors.com, and today I am going to set up this domain to access from our GitHub Pages website. So for that purpose, what we have to do, click on this domain, and then once you click onto this domain, you will see this page, and inside that scroll down and go to manage DNS. Inside the manage DNS, we have to configure our DNS setting to access our GitHub Pages website using this domain. So for that purpose, what we have to do is that just go to domain setting, scroll down and click on the add button. Here you have to select a type. You have to select a type as CNAME. Inside the host, you have to select whatever you want your subdomain to be. So as of now, I'm going to access my website through www.techvegars.com. So for that purpose, I'm giving the www as the subdomain. Now we have to give where we want to point our website to. So for that purpose, what we have to do, just copy this URL and paste into the point to. You don't need this https, only we need to have this much the our url, and then let the ttl to 1 hour and save it. Once you have saved it, after that you need to add some ad code. So for that purpose, again just click on the add button and select here the ad code, and inside the host you can give the at the rate, and now inside the point 2 we have some list of ip address which is given by the GitHub Pages. And basically, so these are the IP address where the GitHub Pages are hosted. So we need to configure these all four IP address inside the AD code. So let's copy one by one and configure it. I'm just adding the first. The These are the four AD code you have to add, and this IP address is pointing. Now we are done from our domain registrar side. Next step, what we have to do, you have to go to your GitHub repository and then go to settings tab. Inside the settings tab, just scroll down, and once you will scroll down, you will see an option called GitHub Pages. So here what you have to do, you have to add a custom domain. So what the custom domain you have to add, we have given here www as our CNAME, and our domain name is techvigors.com. So just let's copy this and come here and add it here, www.techvigors.com, and you have to just save it. So whatever the domain you have registered and whatever the subdomain you have configured over here, just give the same and then hit the save button. Once you will hit the save button, it will get saved, and then you will see our website is getting accessed over here. So now what you have to do, just copy this URL, and I'm going to just open in another tab and hit it over here. So once you will hit it, now we will see that our website is accessible over techbeggars.com, and it's even you can access it over the HTTPS also. So some of the you guys, if you are configuring the first time, you will not see this HTTPS option. So what you have to do, you have to wait for some time, then you have to click on this checkbox, enforce HTTPS, if it's not ticked. Because if you'll see, if I remove it, my website, and if I refresh it, my domain will get changed to HTTP. You can see that now it's the HTTP. But if you want to access it through the HTTPS, you have to click on this checkbox so that the GitHub pages will configure it over the HTTPS. Some of you guys, when you are configuring for the first time, you will not see this certificate. You will, this option will not be enabled. So you don't need to worry. After configuring your domain, just wait for 5 to 10 minutes. The GitHub will automatically request for an SSL certificate, or else you will even get an option over here to request for the SSL certificate. Once the GitHub is able to issue the SSL certificate for your domain, then you will be able to use it, and you will be able to enforce the HTTPS. So now, as you can see that our website is up and running on the custom domain and also over the secure HTTPS. If you like the video, don't forget to click on the like button, and if you are new to the channel, have not subscribed to the channel, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and also click on the bell icon so that you can get a notification for all my latest video whatever I will be posting on YouTube. See you in the next video, and until then, happy coding.